What is up there, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video today. So I'm gonna start uploading a new kind of series by the time I save up some money to put into Robinhood. So I'm gonna actually do like the 500 to $1 million challenge because that's what I originally started with. But I may just start by putting in like $100 and then adding in some more until I reach the $500. But in the meantime, once I deposit that $100 and more, I can start growing that at least, so I don't have to wait that long to start like making YouTube videos about it. So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm hoping by, I don't know, maybe by the end of this week I might get $100 to put into Robinhood. All right, so today what I did on Thinkorswim, I'm kind of familiar. I'm not really familiar with it. I'm like okay at using this platform because I'm kind of new with it, but I'm gonna be trading on this paper trading just so I can like practice and I can record also my just like my experiences and stuff on it so you guys can see me trade and you guys can also learn new things. So today I traded LABU. That's the only thing I traded. It was a simple, quick trade. I spent like 20 minutes on it or something. I bought in. I gotta check orders. I bought in at around $40.34 and sold it at $43.31. I put in like what was it? Less than 40 grand, I think. No, I did put in 40 grand. Yeah, 40 grand. And I made almost $3,000 in profit, which is not bad. Not bad. It's like, how much is that? Okay, I'm not gonna do the math because I'm really bad at math. Uh, was that was 10%? No, it wasn't. All right, I'm not gonna count. All right, so I made 3 grand from $40,000. You do the math. It's like 7% or something. All right, I'm not gonna do the math. So yeah, that's the only trade I made today. LABU. I saw that there was no resistance points whatsoever around the $40 area up to like the $44 area. So that's why right away I bought in like as early as I could. I bought in like 1,000 shares, and I just wrote it up to a good price point and sold it at $43.31. Because I saw like it was trying to push past it, but it really couldn't. So I just took my profits and left. So that was technically a day trade, but you use the same patterns and same like analysis as in swing trading. So that's basically what I did to make the 3 grand today. I'm hoping to make like 10% with this account because there's unlimited day trades. At least like minimum 10% of my account a week if I record for more than a week. Because if you can day trade, then you can make pretty good money just scalping stuff if you have the time for it. So yeah, I made almost $3,000. And basically that's it. And I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still gathering money. I'm trying to do some stuff online to get some money. And everything you guys do, all support, comments, and everything, I really appreciate it. I just want to thank you all for that. And I just wanted to thank all of you for the 100 subscribers. I'm really happy about that milestone being like reached. We're over 100 subscribers right now, and next milestone is going to be 500, and I feel like we can get that really quick. Just if you enjoy my videos, can you just please, I'd really appreciate it. Just share it with your friends and tell your friends about this channel if they also enjoy like investing, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow with another awesome day in investing.